Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the Temple of Transformation, and it is time for your weekly reading for the collective. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right. So, what do we have coming up for us this week? Let's see, what does Spirit have to share with us? Okay, so we have the Ace of Pentacles. We're starting something new. We may be trying to plant a new seed. This could be starting a new project. This could be starting a new goal. This could be starting something like a new job or looking for a new job, wanting to plant a new seed or like bring in some more income. In order to do this, we are having to release something from our past. Make sure that you are releasing that thing from your past. Make sure that you're not shying away from it. Sometimes we don't want to focus on the negative because we think that we're going to bring it into the present or into the future if I think about it. But in order to release it, you do have to think about it. So don't skip that part of the process. There's something new for you on the horizon that wants to come for you. And so you're definitely moving in the right direction with wanting to start something new. And yeah, the universe is definitely on the same page with you. Whatever it is that you're wanting to start, whatever it is that you're trying to release, it is inspired by the universe. It is inspired by the divine. So you're definitely in alignment with the universe and what it is trying to bring for you. Know that change is something that is always a part of life. And if we actively and proactively engage in that change, then these tower moments are not so scary. They're not so intense. But when we ignore what we need to release, when we ignore the changes that we need to make, when we ignore what Spirit is giving us, and just kind of keep going because we don't want that change or because we don't want to see what the truth is, that's when the tower will eventually be taken care of for us, and that's when it feels like it's very sudden and very startling. So just make sure that you are not ignoring your blind spots, that you are being aware, self-aware, so that you do not have blind spots. And that, you release what you need to release and know that you are moving in the right direction. So don't be afraid of this tower because you are being proactive about it. And so it will work out just fine.